Hello and Assalamu alaikum everybody. You're tuning to IELTS Avenue. In this channel, we will be covering IELTS basic modules, reading, listening, writing, and speaking. And you will be getting a lecture each day on any topic from IELTS. Our basic goal is to prepare yourself well enough that you can score a desired score in your IELTS examination. So today I have selected a writing class, and in writing class I would be going through its basic structure, the time allocated, and the topics which are covered in IELTS writing. So my friend, IELTS writing task consists of two subtasks, and the total time which is allowed is 60 minutes. So the first task for IELTS general training students is letter writing, and the second task is essay writing. The letter writing is allowed for 20 minutes and essay writing is allowed for 40 minutes. And in today's class I would be covering IELTS essay writing because it is actually a 6-band area to cover. Okay, so a total of 9 bands, 3 bands are allocated to letter writing and 6 bands are allocated to essay writing. So why people usually lose a lot of marks in essay writing or in writing task is because they don't follow a proposed or a well-defined structure in their essay or letters. I mean, the examiner would guess your essay within 30 seconds, and the examiner would first check the structure. Examiner would check, have you responded correctly to the question which was asked, and is there a sequence in your essay or not. So to move forward, I would try to cover each type of essay which is more likely to be asked in IELTS examination. I mean, from the past papers, if we see, there are total of 8 type of essays which are coming in IELTS examination. Number 1, discuss both views. Number 2, positive or negative development. Number 3, agree or disagree. Number 4, to what extent do you agree or disagree. Number 5, problem based essay. Number 6, advantages or disadvantages. Number 7, advantages overweight disadvantages, and number 8 is combo essay. So if you can cover all these 8 type of essays and you have a basic structure of writing them, then you can achieve maximum marks in IELTS writing and you can achieve your desired IELTS score. And we will be discussing each type of essay in our coming video series so that you can never miss anyone. Second topic which I want to discuss is the assessment criteria. Your essay would be judged on 5 different prospects. Number 1, I would again mention it over there, task achievement. Number 2, task response. Number 4, coherence and cohesion. Number 4, lexical resource. Number 5, grammatical range and accuracy. So what is task achievement? Task achievement is, have you presented the correct information? Have you highlighted the key features in the topic? Have you provided the supporting details? Okay. Task response again is judged that have you answered the question which was asked in essay. Like if an examiner asks you, do you agree or disagree, please give reasons. So you have to write that I agree. According to my personal perception, I agree with this cause on the basis of the following points. So you have to give a proper response of the examiner's question. So if you don't respond correctly, your task response would be marked as wrong. Coherence and cohesion means that most of the students actually don't follow a complete structure. They mentioned one or two points in a single paragraph, and this practice usually confuses the examiner. Examiner is actually looking for one point in one paragraph with proper explanation and examples. So if you are giving two or three points, you are jumble up different ideas into one paragraph, into one writing, then you are actually not following coherence and cohesion. So it would be marked as wrong if you don't follow. Lexical resource means that have you written down the correct spelling? Have you paraphrased question statement correctly? Have you used a very wide range of words in your writing, or you are actually repeating similar words in similar situations? So this would actually score you low in lexical resource. You need to use wide variety of words. And the last point is grammatical range and accuracy. It's actually, have you created the sentences correctly? Have you make use of simple, compound, complex sentences correctly? You used tenses correctly. You used punctuation correctly. So these are the main points in to be considered in grammatical range and accuracy. So my friend, I have explained 5 assessment criteria for essay writing. If you follow these points while writing the essay, you will remark maximum score in your writing. So most of the students actually fail or not able to achieve the desired score because of these points. So in my next topic, I would be covering advantages, overweight, disadvantages type of essay. Please prepare for that. And I would be covering all of these 5 assessment criteria in that. Okay. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please tune in to get more updates on IELTS. Thank you.